Lately, videos of helping these kinds of animated characters created with artificial intelligence are getting a lot of interaction and views. In this video, I will show you how you can create this type of content yourself and the logic behind it. First, open Claude. Paste the specially updated main command line, master prompt, that I prepared for this concept into the message box. You can quickly customize the variables within the master prompt according to your own wishes, either manually or with the help of an AI tool, to fit the specific length and script of the video you want to create. You can find this master prompt and detailed instructions on how to use it in the Master Prompts channel of our free Telegram group, which is linked among the links where our communities are located in the video description. Because these types of videos are in a story style and have a long script, I requested 10 image prompts and 9 video prompts for my prompt. You can make changes in the prompt according to the length of the video you want to produce. First, copy the first generated image prompt and go to OpenArt AI. In OpenArt, select the Create Image option and choose the Nano Banana 2 model. Paste the image prompt you copied into the prompt section and select the 9:16 vertical format. Depending on your budget, you can choose different resolutions and image generation models. After checking the generated image and confirming that it is as we want, we save it. Since we do not want unwanted changes in our scene, we will go to the Edit Image section on the OpenArt site and upload the image we just downloaded. Then, return to Claude and copy the second image command, paste it into the command box in OpenArt, and create our second scene image. The reason we use the Edit Image section is to achieve a perfect harmony between the scenes. After our images are created, select the Frame to Video, Convert Frame to Video section. Again, you can use different models and output settings according to your budget. I choose VO 3.1 as the video production model. I place the first scene image I downloaded into the Starting Frame section, and I upload the second image to the End Frame section. Then, I return to Claude, copy my video prompt and paste it into the command box in OpenArt. After that, I return to Claude again, copy my audio prompt and add it to the continuation of my video production prompt in OpenArt. After checking that the audio setting is on, I choose the fast mode as the video production mode. You can choose the quality mode for more expensive and high-quality videos, or the light mode to create cheaper and slightly more ordinary videos according to your budget. Then, I select the 9:16 vertical format. Set your output preferences to be 720p quality and 6 seconds video length, and click the Create button. The final result will look something like this. To improve your content production and editing skills, you can join our free communities via the link in the description. There, you can chat with like-minded people and support us on our journey to build the largest global content creation community. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like the video, share your suggestions and requests in the comments, and subscribe to the channel.